हरिओम। तुमने मुझको प्यार किया है जितना, कौन करेगा इतना, कौन करेगा इतना। तुमने मुझको प्यार किया है जितना, कौन करेगा इतना। This bhajan is a divine soul's tender conversation with God. Every word of this bhajan echoes the depth of gratitude, surrender, and most importantly, the awe that a devotee feels on recognizing the silent, ever existing, constant, endless, and infinite love of God. This bhajan reminds us that God's love is unconditional, transforming, and deeply personal. तुमने मुझको प्यार किया है जितना, कौन करेगा इतना। तुमने मुझ पर एहसान किया है जितना, कौन करेगा इतना। This is an expression of sacred astonishment. The soul wonders, who could ever love me the way you love me, O God? While the world's love often comes with expectations, conditions, limits, fluctuations, God's love is boundless, ever existing, ever flowing, infinite, and it keeps coming to us even when we don't feel deserving. Every moment, every breath, every opportunity to grow, every act of grace is a silent ihsan, a silent blessing from God who loves us unconditionally, infinitely, endlessly. And His love comes to us in many forms, many ways. And we are able to experience Him the most in the form of a true Guru, in the form of satsang and divine friendships. तुमसे कैसे मिलन हुआ था हम कुछ समझ न पाए, तेरे थे हम तेरे हैं हम तेरे ही रह जाएं। प्यार में तूने खींच के कैसे बना लिया है अपना, कौन करेगा इतना। We must celebrate the mystery of spiritual awakening that we are graced with. We didn't plan to meet God. He pulled us in. He drew us with the magnet of divine love and made us His own. He came in the form of satsang. He came in the form of a true guru. He came in the form of divine friendships. He came in the form of every divine soul who touched our life to get us closer and closer to Him. And He resides within us. Even before we fully understood the path, God came in the form of a true guru and accepted us. That quiet pull, that unexplainable inner calling is the hallmark of divine grace. Who else can claim us without asking for anything back? It is God who has given us everything and who has come to meet us in various forms and meet us through His own self residing within us, the divine within us. जब जब भी मैं भूल गई थी तुमने मुझको संभाला, गोद में अपने मुझको बिठाकर ज्ञान का राज समझाया। तेरी नज़र ने चुपके घायल किया है जितना, कौन करेगा इतना। We see the compassion of a true guru who is always pulling us back to our goal, pulling us back home, who doesn't punish when we forget God, but gently guides us back home. Through various means and ways, through vachans, through bhajans, through friendships, through divine souls, through satsang, various forms, various ways, various analogies, various scriptures, God comes and reminds us that He is always waiting for us. He is around us, He is within us. Even when we strayed, we went away from Him. His protective gaze and silent presence never left us. That divine glance, filled with wisdom and love, pierces deeper than any sword, not to harm us but to awaken us. Only God's love can break the ego so sweetly and rebuild the self in divine truth. So whenever we forget God, He finds ways to get us back to Him. That's the beauty of His love. He cannot stay without us. And so, once we find real love of God, we will never be able to stay without Him. We will stay connected. We will stay in oneness with Him. We are already one. We'll discover that oneness and cherish every bit of it. हम दोनों के प्यार में अब तो और न कोई आए, चांद चकोरी बन के जगत में प्रेम के गीत हम गाएं. कैसे कहें हम याद में तेरी जलते रहे हैं जितना, कौन करेगा इतना. This is every soul's longing to remain forever in union with the divine, undisturbed by the worldly distractions. Like the moon and its lover, the chakor, every devotee wants to sing songs of divine love for God. And in that love, even pain becomes sacred. It's called Viraha ki Vedna, that sweet pain of missing, that sweet pain of longing for God. The fire of remembrance purifies us and elevates us. It is not suffering, it's a sacred pain, it's a sacred yearning, sweet pain of missing. Who else can give such love to us, even such that even our burning, our pain becomes blissful? It's only that merciful, graceful, loving God who does this to us. Such is the love of God for each one of us, personal, infinite, endless, ever present. This bhajan is a reminder that no one can love us the way God does, constantly, unconditionally, endlessly, completely. He fills us up. He resides within us, around us in every form. And God comes to love us most in the form of a true Guru. He Himself comes in the form of a true Guru and Satsang. If we recognize Him, that He is where He is most present, that's when we will realize the treasure that we've been graced with in Satsang. The worldly love fades, falters, fluctuates, but the love of a true Guru, love of Satsang, love of God who resides within me is the only constant that holds us and makes us attain oneness with God. Let us open our hearts to that grace. Let us remember, reflect and rejoice that God is within me. God came to meet me in the form of a true Guru, in the form of divine friendships, because we are already His. We are deeply loved, deeply held and deeply blessed by Him. His grace is always on us. He is one with us, we are one with Him. Kaun karega itna? Who will love us this much? Only God, and He already has.
तुमने मुझको प्यार किया है जितना, कौन करेगा इतना, कौन करेगा इतना. तुमने मुझ पे एहसान किया है जितना, कौन करेगा इतना, कौन करेगा इतना. तुमसे कैसे मिलन हुआ था, हम कुछ समझ न पाए. तेरे थे हम, तेरे हैं हम, तेरे ही रह जाए. प्यार में तूने खींच के कैसे, प्यार में तूने खींच के कैसे बना दिया है अपना. कौन करेगा इतना, कौन करेगा इतना. जब जब भी मैं भूल गई थी, तुमने मुझको संभाला. गोद में अपने मुझको बिठा कर ज्ञान का राज समझाया. के तेरी नजर ने चुप के घायल किया है जितना, कौन करेगा इतना, कौन करेगा इतना। हम दोनों के प्यार में अब तो और न कोई आए, चांद चकोरी बनके जगत में प्रेम के गीत हम गाए। कैसे कहें हम याद में तेरी, कैसे कहें हम याद में तेरी, जलते रहे हैं जितना, कौन करेगा इतना, कौन करेगा इतना। तुमने मुझको प्यार किया है जितना, कौन करेगा इतना। तुमने मुझ पर एहसान किया है जितना, कौन करेगा इतना, कौन करेगा इतना। तुमने मुझको प्यार